Very well, so we're going to get started with the very basic things that you will need for modding hearts in Dragon Age Inquisition. First and foremost, you will need the mod maker, and once you have your mod done, you will need the mod manager. Yes? Both can be downloaded through the Nexus Mods link that I will add to the description that will lead you to the Dragon Age Inquisition Tools Suite Loader. I know it says abandoned, but don't be discouraged because I've checked and it has the latest version of both tools. Anyways, you press download. I already did it just for the sake of simplicity, and you will get this file. Yes? It's a zip or WinRAR file, so you have to extract it like you would with any other sort of similar files. Once you're done, you get these 3 files. Alright? Perfect. Now, the Dragon Age Inquisition Tools Suite Loader will show you the latest version, like I said before, for both tools. You have the mod manager here, this is the latest version. The mod maker here is the latest version. Now, there are a few things that I would like to let you know before we go into downloading this. First and foremost, for both of these tools to run, you will need a specific version of SlimDX. I will add this to the description, so you have to download it to your computer before that and make sure it's already installed. Besides that, I would also like to point a few things about this program in particular. First and foremost, it was made by Dawnless Sky. She helped a lot in the community and in the whole process when I had to start making mods, and she basically created this whole tool that we're seeing here, so kudos to the artist. I don't know. Beside that, this Discord link that's here, it's outdated, so you will not have access to the Discord server if you want to use this one in particular. I will get in touch with the people running that place to see if I can get a new link or if there's any other way that any one of you interested in joining the Discord can access it. I mention this in particular because while the 1.1019 version of the mod maker is good for hair modding, it won't work for texture modding, so you will need to download that one that it's in the Discord. Okay? Perfect. Anyways, back to the whole modding process. You will need to select all, or if you want just to download the mod maker or the mod manager, select one, and you press download all selected. These are very light files, like it won't take much disk space or it won't take much downloading, so don't worry about that. Once you're done with that, you go into tools. Okay, let me make it bigger so you can see it more clearly. Okay, you have these 2 files now generated after downloading the mod maker and the mod manager. You go into tools, you have both folders, yes, with the proper tools in each folder. We need the mod maker, and there you go. This is the program, yes. So once you press it, it will ask you, it will prompt this window asking you to find the Dragon Age Inquisition executable. This will be found where you install the game. If you don't know where this is, you can check your Origin Games settings. As you can see, Dragon Age Inquisition is in my Origin Games folder that I have set in this local disk by myself. Or you can check if you have perhaps if you have a shortcut in your desktop, you press right click and you press go to folder and it will show you where it's located. Anyways, you select this Dragon Age Inquisition executable and you press open. Here is abrir because I am a Spanish native speaker. Okay, so it will give you a few warnings and a few requests to read. You should read them at least once. I've seen these windows like 3,000 times because I've done this a lot. So, okay, let's go ahead and do this. And now that you've started the mod maker, you will see that it will be parsing and it will update you with files and things that it's running through. Okay, this might take time. I don't know, I think it took last time I did it an hour or 2 hours. It depends on your computer. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna leave this here so it keeps going because I don't have this version installed, and I'm going to show you the one that I do use, that it's the 1.1.017. This one will let you modify textures as well as meshes. So if like I told you before, I will check if I can see of getting you this version through the Discord, or if I get permission to host it or share it through YouTube. Okay, so once your mod maker is done with this whole process, yes, it will show you here in this section a small word. It will say data, like this. You see? Perfect. So here is where you have all the files that are in your game. All the hairs, or the clothes, all the tattoos, the balance links, the bodies, the meshes, the textures, everything. Okay? And it was the first tool that was used to mod Inquisition. So some things can be done through Frosty mod maker, but I still stick to this one because I do meshes, and meshes are a no-go yet for the mod maker in Frosty. Anyways, I'm going to end this video here because the next one will show you how to extract files, yes, which files to extract, and everything else. Please stay tuned, and we will see each other later.